OpenArt AI Honest Review. Is this a scam? Let's find out. So, OpenArt AI is known for AI powered art generation, but many people question whether it's trustworthy. First, it's the legitimacy. OpenArt AI is not a scam. It's a real platform where you can generate art using AI models. However, as with many AI art platforms, results depend on heavily on your prompts. Second is the quality of output. The images are creative and diverse, but like other AI tools, they can sometimes produce distortions or off-target results. Third is the pricing and access. OpenArt offers free trials, but charges for premium features like higher resolution images and faster generation. The prices are competitive with other AI art tools. Fourth is the concerns. Some users have reported copyright issues when using generated art commercially, which is important to keep in mind if you're doing businesses. So, for final verdict, OpenArt AI is not a scam. It's a legit AI art generator. But whether it's worth it depends on how much you need AI art in your workflow. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.